Today, I'm ruining this tumbler on purpose by making every sublimation mistakes at once. Will it still look good? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to Elizabeth Quest, and today is our video test day. So basically, it's the day that we test everything, anything that we can do with sublimation. We go to the extreme, or we find out things that work or don't work. I have never been so excited about test day, not even in high school. But today, I'm not even nervous. I'm more excited of ruining this tumbler. Alright, here's the plan. Instead of making one mistake, I'm going to do all in one tumbler. The fails that I'm going to try on this tumbler is printing the design backwards. We're not using tape. We're just letting gravity hold it and hope it works. We're going to use the wrong temperature and pressing the wrong time. So basically, the ultimate sublimation disaster. Let's do this. Oh no, I forgot to mirror it. I'm sure it will be just fine, right? Our next step is to wrap it. Well, who really needs tape?
No tape? Let's be brave.
Gravity will just hold it, right? We don't really need that much pressure. I'm sure it's gonna be fine. I guess we don't have to wait for the temperature to finish. And I guess more time? More color? Let's begin. What do you think? Will it work? Or will it be a big fat failure? What do you think is gonna happen? Put it in the comments. Tell me, what do you think the tumbler will look like? Will it succeed? Would it be awesome? I can't wait to see it. Oh no, what have I done? So, for the moment that everybody has been waiting, the famous disaster tumbler. Yeah, very disastrous. So the words, I guess if you have a mirror, it works, but if not, it's probably useless. You can't even read it right. The words weren't even mirror, so this is the result of it. Ghosting effect is totally intentional. Or maybe you might want to see it as a vintage type of tumbler. So yeah, this is actually what happens when you do everything wrong. So, what did we learn today? That sublimation is not forgiving. If you actually want a really nice tumbler, maybe don't do what I did. How about just check out this video where I actually tell you the correct way to do a tumbler. So tell me, write in the comment, which part was the worst fail of all? And should I try a sublimation disaster on something else? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, dun dun dun. Added for dramatic effect.